Muhammad Segirinya is an activist, a philanthropist, a journalist, a politician and an acute opposition member of parliament who represents the constituency of Kawempe North. The 33-year-old politician was born and raised in Butale, Kadugala in Masaka district, but later moved to Kampala, where he currently resides with his family. He attended Kadugala Primary School for his basic education and joined Kadugala Senior Secondary School before he relocated to Kampala with his cousin. With the help of this cousin, he got a bursary at Kimbase Senior Secondary School in Chebando, where he attained his Uganda Certificate of Education and Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education, respectively. He also holds a diploma in journalism, which he attained from Datamine Technical Business School. His love for politics goes way back in 2006, when even as a commoner, he often participated in radio talk shows about politics, where he always discussed about contemporary issues and criticized the ruling government. He would even refer to himself as Edobozidye Chebando, which is literally translated the voice of Chebando. When his political ambition grew, he started referring to himself as the Kawempe North Member of Parliament to be, and in 2011, Segirinya contested for the Kawempe North parliamentary seat, but lost it to Latif Sebagala. This did not stop him, for in 2016, when under the Forum for Democratic Change Party, he was denied the ticket to contest for the Lord Councillor. He then contested as an independent candidate and won the elections. Like any enthusiastic politician, he used this time and platform at KCCA as a Lord Councillor to ground for his goal to become the next Member of Parliament. During the general elections of Uganda in 2021, with a ticket from the National Unity Platform Party, Segirinya won his contest for the parliamentary seat for Kawempe North. He was competing with 9 other candidates, and some of whom were prominent members like the incumbent Latifa Sebagala, who had represented the constituency for over 20 years, and the former deputy mayor, Salim Chidandali. Segirinya's approach to politics can be categorized as comic since 2011 during the Walk to Work campaigns with Dr. Kizza Besigye, another member of the opposition party. He once carried a TV set to the parliament to protest against the government's decision to migrate from analog to digital for the TV's broadcastings, which he claimed that this was meant to exploit poor Ugandans. The motor-mouthed politician is constantly falling out of law with the law while trying to criticize the ruling government, and this has gained him massive support from both his supporters and fans, and he has gained a following of over 20,000 on his social media platforms. He goes by the name Mr. Update since he's constantly providing information of what happens in the constituency and his plans for his people through his social media platforms. Segirinya believes that his comic way and playful way of handling politics gets him results, and he doesn't care about what other people say. In 2021, there was a controversy that erupted over his academic qualifications when he was dragged to the High Court by Sulaiman Chidandali with allegations of having forged his documents. However, it was revealed that Segirinya had simply changed his name from the Christian name to the Muslim name, and this was confirmed by the Uganda National Examination Board. The controversial Segirinya is married with children, although he chooses to keep his family private from the rest of the world. Apart from politics, Segirinya is mostly known for his good heart and continued need to help the people. He has effectively represented his people in his constituency, unlike most politicians. For instance, while at KCCA, he sought job opportunities for the youth in his constituency. He started an orphanage called Muhammad Segirinya Orphanage to help the underprivileged children. During lockdown, He took it upon himself to feed and hospitalize his people and was constantly lobbying for the best for his people in his constituency. He vowed to give part of his salary to his voters. He vowed to buy an ambulance for his constituency and very many good deeds. Segirinya is considered to be one of the most prominent, reliable, and active politicians in Uganda. And this has piled pressure to not only the ruling government, but also other members of parliament. The free-spirited politician believes that one ought to do what is right, and he vows to always do what is best for his people. On the 8th of September 2021, Segirinya, together with the Machindye Member of Parliament, Allen Sewanyana, were arrested on the charges of murder and abetting terrorism. According to the police spokesperson Fred Enanga, they were being accused of having had a hand in the Greater Masaka Machete murders, in which over 30 people were killed. After a couple of weeks behind bars, Segirinya appeared in one particular video in a somber mood, crying for his life. He showed signs of having been tortured, for he had festered wounds under his feet. This worried his supporters, for he is often a jolly fellow. After various attempts, he was later granted bail from Chitalia prison while in a soul-crushing state and was taken to Mulago Hospital. But with little improvement, he was later transferred to Machizon Bay Hospital in Luzira, where he is still being taken care of and going under treatment. His fans continue to pray and wish for his quick recovery through these trying times. When he was first denied bail, Segirinya accused his opponent Sulaiman Kidandali for having had a hand in his arrest and accused him of being malicious, for he had failed in his attempt to discredit him earlier on in the High Court. It should be remembered, however, that Segirinya and Sewanyana are not the only or the first opposition members to undergo through such arrests, and his fans continue to hope for the very best for him through these trying times.